Hey everybody, how's it going? Well, I just got a request from somebody to do a skull, so I dug up some old stuff that I did, and I kind of re-edited it, sped up parts and stuff. But I got a skull, a couple skull characters, and some other spooky Halloween stuff too. So that's why I'm posting this. So enjoy it. Well, it's coming along nicely so far. I got this big guy here, and let me turn around here. What I'm going to do is like this background lady and this guy. I'll probably do some black on him and some black on this jack-o'-lantern character. Definitely black on him, but back here I'm just going to leave her like she is. She's more in the background. So that's what I got so far. I got to come up with something down there, something creepy. I'm sorry I got into the painting so much I forgot to videotape. But I can show you what I got so far. This guy's coming out really cool. And I'm going to work on a scary jack-o'-lantern next. I like her too. Well, I finished the one big side, so I'm gonna get some pictures of it. And I know I didn't shoot a lot of video of the sequences of laying out all the colors and doing the characters, but the reason is making videos takes a long time. Like probably if I videotaped the whole time during this one, it would have taken me probably an hour and a half extra to videotape. Because when I'm painting, it takes time to set up the cameras, do all the shots and stuff. So yeah, I don't have pictures of everything because I'm like 90 minutes from Portland and I don't want to be here all night. So anyway, let's get a video of what I got on this side. And I added some more of these little blue things too. But this one's cool. I really like her. And I like him, I like the zombie. I think he's my favorite. And then I got the bats highlighted. And then over on this side I got sort of a vampire character. Looks a little bit like Nosferatu. Looks like me and Nosferatu, Scott Ferrato. So I've got this whole side done. So I'm gonna go over here and show you what I got going here. And then on the street side, I'm gonna write Happy Halloween in this orange. And then I got this guy. I did him pretty quick, probably in about half hour I got him done. He was fast. And so I just got to do the black on him and all the details and a few highlights and stuff. And then paint a haunted house here. So that's what I'm up to. And I just want to try and get it done. Hey, how's it going? I want to try and get it done before the sun goes down.